Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be showing doing a browser test with my Vivaldi, which is on the top left, and comparing it with Firefox, which is down here. This is Firefox ESR, the latest one, latest Vivaldi, and this is just stock Google Chrome. So Firefox was getting super slow for me. I couldn't do anything with it, and it was just dragging on, and there's nothing that I could do to make it faster. I mean, it was just getting super slow. I needed to do like a browser refresh or something, but I just don't want to do that, so I transferred everything onto Vivaldi, which is my new favorite browser. And I just wanted to run this test, which is from Whirlpool B-Mark, which is like a 3D benchmark, just to compare this this isn't a scientific test. This isn't to be fair, this isn't a fair test. These aren't stock browsers, apart from Chrome. So I just wanted to quickly compare the scores and see where we'll land. So let's just have a look here. We'll just run this, see what we get. By the way, I've arranged this with the ISO screen slicer. So here it is. If you don't know what this is, it's basically like the snap function for Windows. This is more advanced. This is what I use. I really like it. You can set it for any monitor. You can do it. You can edit it and do it however you want. So it's definitely something that you should check out. Okay, so here we are. And as it turns out, Chrome is the first one at test 3. Firefox is test 2, and Vivaldi is still at test 1, which is pretty shocking for me, but okay. Let's have a look. Test 3. However, this first test is when your frames drop below a certain number, so this doesn't mean that it's any slower or anything. So let's just have a look. This could be the fastest, actually. So Chrome is 2,170. Let's have a look. What does Firefox say? This is again non-scientific. Just doing it for fun. 1,500 for Firefox, which is, like I said, super slow. I've been using it for like 3 years now. So it's no wonder that stock Chrome beats it. But what do I get with Vivaldi? That's what I'm interested in. Let's just have a look. Still a test 1. Now that's... I'm not sure what to make of that. So it says, this is stress test. Moving blocks will be added to the scene until you drop below 10 frames. The score is determined by the amount of blocks. Okay, but shouldn't this test like hurry up or something? Can't they just add it in a faster rate? I don't know. Okay, so let's have a look. But yeah, like I said, I was using Firefox for a long time, ESR. And then I used Brave, which uses Chrome rendering engine, and now I switched to Vivaldi, which uses the same. I wasn't happy with Brave, switched to Vivaldi, super happy now. I'm especially happy with the interface and the customizability. So let's just have a look at the score. That's what I'm really interested in. Of course, it's just for giggles. Doesn't really mean anything, but let's have a look. Is it more or less than the other two? 4,176. Now that's what I'm talking about. Again, completely unscientific, but there you have it. Vivaldi beating the old, but now worse than anything else, Firefox, and a stock Chrome. There you go. Thanks for watching.